Alyssa, the property manager at Park Place Apartments. Thanks for stopping by. We're a vibrant community set on 42 beautiful acres in Lexington, Kentucky. Today, I'm going to show you around and talk to you about the top 3 features that make our community unique: the location, amenities, and living options. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Park Place is located at the corner of Tates Creek Road and Man o' War Boulevard. We're 10 minutes away from the University of Kentucky, 8 minutes from the Arboretum, 15 from I-75, and just minutes away from high-end shopping and restaurants at the summit of Fritz Farm. We are also within walking distance to groceries, banks, and more. Now, let's talk about the amenities at Park Place. I'm standing in our clubhouse. This is where we have our resident lounge, business center, and espresso bar. Here, residents can gather and relax, work remotely, and enjoy a cup of coffee from local favorite Magic Beans. This is also where we host a full calendar of resident events such as holiday parties and food trucks. And that's just a few of the examples of the services and amenities we have here at our community. Now let me grab my tennis shoes and show you some of my favorite spots. We're an active community. We have tennis and pickleball courts. You better bring your A game. And we have a 24-hour fitness facility featuring cardio machines, free weights, a yoga and Pilates studio with on-demand classes, and indoor basketball court. You're sure to break a sweat. And next, you can cool off at a resort-style pool. Here, you can relax in the cabana, take a quick dip, or play ping pong and cornhole. I could spend all day here. And your pets can live in luxury too. This is our pet spa. And just so you know, some of our furry residents come in here just for the treats. And now I'm at one of our outdoor chef's kitchens. Here you can enjoy a meal with friends and neighbors and unwind with a glass of wine by the fire pit. Now let's talk about living options at Park Place. We have over 20 plus floor plans featuring 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartment homes and townhomes. There's truly something for everyone. And when you're talking about your home, space is important. We have the largest layouts in town, and that's a fact. Our homes feature 9-foot or vaulted ceilings, screened-in porches or covered patios, and the option to have a direct access garage. And when you choose to call Park Place your home, you receive valet trash, access to wellness concierge services, the convenience of the Amazon hub, and 24-hour emergency maintenance. As you can see, there is so much to love here at Park Place. We are passionate about it and think you will be too. Our team is here and ready to welcome you home. If you'd like more information, call our leasing office. We'd love to have you.